This chapter will focus on creating a dataset from a virtual cube. The sample data that we'll be using in this tutorial is derived from our sample database called Synatica DW. Let's start off by going to the Dataset context menu. Click on the new Dataset menu item to create a new dataset. Type in a meaningful name. Let's use 3.3.3 so we can associate this dataset with this tutorial for future reference. This will bring up the setup wizard. Next, we need to choose a virtual cube. Let's use 2.2.3. Remember that this cube has a report called downloads. Click next to continue. Now we need to choose the measures we are interested in showing. In our case, let's choose these ones. Now, let's choose the dimension column we are interested in and click finish to close the wizard. Look at the preferred visualization. The purpose of this property is to set a default visualization for this dataset. Let's say we chose bar chart. What this means is when the dataset is used in a dashboard, it will automatically show up as a bar chart. Note that the dashboard designer can choose a different visualization, which we will show how in a subsequent tutorial. Because we are creating a dataset, the most logical choice for our default would be a data grid, so let's do that. Now, let's preview the dataset by going to the Preview tab. Click on the Preview Data button to show the data. If you need to make changes to the dataset, simply click here to open up the Setup wizard. Finally, we will check the dataset in so it can be used in a dashboard. There are many properties that you can set to enhance the dataset, but we will discuss these properties in subsequent tutorials. What we did in this video will allow you to start building dashboards. In addition, we will cover how to add interactivity on your dataset in another tutorial. This concludes our tutorial on how to create a dataset from a virtual cube.